Now we have a Coupe 230 CE, 2.3, 4-cylinder, fuel injected. Stuttgart. Back in 1991 with added options, £48,000. This will develop something around between 130 and 150, I expect. Full nut 60 and 10.8, something like that maybe. 4-speed auto. However, there was an option on this for a 5-speed auto. Now I bet you can't guess what was the most expensive option on this car back in 1991. It was air conditioning. And it was £1,750. It was actually more expensive than going for a 5-speed box in the 230. That just blows my mind, it really does. Keyless entry? Well no, not back in 1991. Nice long wide opening doors, coupe style body as well, which means all 4 windows go down and pillarless. So no surround on the door. Looks the part, especially in summer, with our Amg wheels. Yes, these are not the original wheels. The wheels that came on it when we got it, we have no clue what they were, but these look far better. 17-inch and pretty damn wide too. Electric seats. This doesn't have memory function and they're on the door. Inside, 4-speed automatic box. You've also got, looks like an economy mode. Oh mind you, I'm never going to use that, am I? 4 electric windows as well, and yes, not a 12-volt socket, an actual cigar lighter. And there's the optional climate control, because it's for the passenger and the driver. On the right hand side you've got all the lighting, all the controls, and this magical stalk. The one stalk that does everything, so lights and wipers. You've only one stalk on the car, apart from this one, which is cruise control. Cream leather interior, lots of wood. In our defence, it has been sat in the Midlands for about 2 years, but it's in remarkably good condition. Passenger space in the back of the 230 CE is limited. Saying that, I will fit in at 6'3". It is a bit of a squish. The ignition is there. Very clear cluster, water temperature on the left hand side. Then you've got oil pressure gauge, fuel lights on. Yeah, I need to top her up. Speedo in the middle, rev counter and a clock. ABS and other warning lights too. Remarkably, with all the electronics on this car, you still have manual mirrors. Saying that, the passenger side is electrically adjusted, and you can do that here. There's even a place here for the manual. They're not the biggest door pockets, unlike the BMW. It didn't seem to be a thing back then. You can also adjust this armrest, and look, lumbar support as well. This is how you operate the seat. You press that and it will go forwards or backwards. And look at that, hand you your seatbelt. This also has a tape deck with a CD, I think it's 6-disc auto changer in the back, and yes, those are heated seats. And this being Mercedes, old school handbrake. So foot pedal, release handle here. And on the lights you've even got height adjustment. No auto, but it's all halogens. It's 1991, remember? The one thing that stands out to us on this car is the two-tone. It's quite rare to see this. It's also rare to see this colour, to be honest. And you've got like a dark chrome roof line as well. You also have an electric sunroof, body coloured. Power aerial. Decent sized boot. There should be a triangle there, but it looks like someone half-inched it. This car is a project. As you can maybe tell by the fact we've got Bilstein shockers in the back, Bilstein springs. Look at this. This is true 1990s hill figure. We have dual zone climate. Extremely advanced for the time, it really was. There is a release, so you'll pull it, it's on the left hand side. Lift the Mercedes bonnet like so, and pull the little flap out there. And look at this. Self-supports. Doesn't have struts, has a separate system, but does the same nevertheless. 2.3, 4-cylinder, fuel injected. Bosch system, and the 4-speed box of course. An interesting design feature. On here you have a Mercedes badge that's on the grille. Standard wheels on this were likely 15-inch, maybe 16 as an option. Exhaust exit, simple pipe on the left hand side.
There we have the Mercedes running. Automatic choke, so it's going to take a bit of time until she starts to regulate. It starts pretty much first time. Sounded a little cold this morning. Economy wise, 30 on a good day. There you have it. 30 years of luxury in premium German